Hello, traders. Everywhere you turn, it seems to be the same headline. AI is taking over the world. AI is taking your jobs. No, not that AI. I'm referring to artificial intelligence. Now, is artificial intelligence really going to displace many of our jobs? Let me flip that with a few quick questions. When's the last time you actually handed cash to a toll booth worker? Exactly. Tried calling customer service lately? You get stuck yelling agent or customer service into your phone just to be bounced around through an endless maze of automated prompts. Frustrating, right? And don't even get me started on the grocery store. 10 self-checkouts, maybe 1 or 2 cashiers off in the corner? Then think about how many things you now let AI handle. Stuff you used to pay actual people to do. Well, those are just a few examples of AI in action, and it's just getting started. A McKinsey report projects that by 2030, 30% of current US jobs could be automated, with 60% of jobs significantly altered by AI tools. According to Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, cautioned that AI's impact is already visible in sectors like finance and legal services, predicting a restructuring of white-collar work by 2035. Jamie Dimon, CEO of JP Morgan Chase, estimates in his shareholder letter that AI will dominate jobs that require repetitive tasks within 15 years. Goldman Sachs predicted that up to 50% of jobs could be fully automated by 2045. Now, don't get me wrong, AI will also create many new jobs. However, legendary investor Ray Dalio warns we're headed toward a great deleveraging, where machines replace workers faster than new jobs can be created. Now, what can we do to prepare ourselves for this? A common recommendation is to go back to school and learn new skills in order to adapt to the changing job market. Trader wisdom, have you seen the price of colleges lately? I don't have tens of thousands of dollars just lying around. That's a fair point, but there are other options. You can build a powerful, profitable skill from your home right now with futures trading. Learn proven strategies such as ICT or the Apex Sniper system, to name a few, both free, both linked below. Futures trading is available to trade 23 hours a day, 5 days a week, even with a busy schedule. And the best part, you don't need to risk your own money. You can trade with a prop firm like Apex Trader Funding using their capital to grow your account. You can purchase up to 20 Apex Trader Funding accounts by clicking my affiliate link in the description or using promo code WISDOM, where you will receive the highest discount available. Don't wait for AI to decide your future. Take control of it. Grab your Apex Trader Funding account and start building a skill that AI can't take away. For more details on the benefits of trading with a prop firm versus your own money, check out this video right here.